Hi, this is Brantley with dSupport Online, and welcome to our dMystify series. Today we'll be going over the Emisoft a2cmd scanner, and it is a virus scanner that will be able to scan and remove viruses from the system that you're working with. And right now we have it under the malware removal tab, automated section. And with the DMZ custom apps, you have quite a few more options. The quick scan, the smart scan, and the deep scan. And with the default D72 apps, you only have the full scan. There's also a offline operation where you can perform the deep scan offline, or with the default D72 custom app, you can use the full scan offline. And both of these will scan to the target partition. The deep scan performs a much more thorough scan, which is also available as the DMZ custom app. We're going to go ahead and head over to the app's website, which actually for this application is going to be the same as the download page. So on the page here, you can see it does have the download option if there's any issues downloading the file through the automated DMZ custom app options. And you can also see that there is a for purchase version, and for the purchase version, so that you can run it on server OSs, it's able to run on all of the versions of Windows, XP, Vista 7, and 8. But for server OSs, you would have to purchase the version. And good to note that the a2cmd is actually a part of their anti-malware package and their emergency kit. So if you are interested in some more software and go over a little bit about what we have here, it is just a command line scanner that you'll use the command line prompt with. When you download it here, and when it's downloaded through D72, it downloads the latest definitions. It is about a 200 meg file download, so it does take a little bit of time to download, but it comes with all the latest definitions. There's also a command line feature to run an update if you already have it downloaded somewhere. We found that the update feature sometimes is a little flaky, and it's kind of a known issue with the a2cmd scanner, so we've gone ahead and set the custom apps to re-download if they're more than a day old. And on that same page, you can see some of the more detailed information about the command line parameters that come with a2cmd. And those are what we've already gone through and added and set in additional settings for our custom apps here. So again, you can see we have our quick scan, smart scan, deep scan, and full scan. To show you a little bit about the differences with what we're running on the commands, you can see that the default D72 custom app doesn't come with very many options, but it does generate a log file and has a few switches enabled. The custom DMZ custom app options come with quite a few more options enabled with the command line parameters. Also includes a whitelisting feature that'll whitelist the D72 folder automatically, and we'll go over more of that in the configuration of the app. Plus has the log that'll log to the malware reports directory. And you can see the main difference between the smart scan, quick scan, and deep scan is going to be our smart, quick, and deep command line parameters. And those are internal to the a2cmd, so it picks and chooses which directories to scan and work with there. And you can see we've added a few more options on the deep scan as well. They are all set to delete virus and infections automatically, but you'll get a report of what happened in the report log. a2cmd is all automated, so there's no clicking or choosing. Basically you just run the custom app from D72 and it'll run through the scan, delete anything that's found, and copy the report over to your report directory. Similar thing for the offline scan mode. You can see the full scan version, which is the default D72 custom app, has quite a few less command line options, and you can see the deep scan is much more full-fledged for the DMZ custom app. So if we go ahead and check out our configuration for this app, you'll see we do have them set as fully automated. It only runs on the Windows versions and doesn't run on the server. It is 32 and 64-bit compatible, and the main page as well as the download page are both the same. On download, it is going to download the a2cmd zip, and that is again quite a large file, being about 200 megabytes, so it can take a little while to download that, so good to be on caution when you're running on systems with slow internet connections. On the pre-execution tab, you can see here that we have the a2cmd.cmd, and this is included only in the DMZ custom apps options right now, where basically it'll go through and whitelist the d72 directory on the fly and then use that as its excludes file here. So this a2cmd excludes text file is actually created on the fly by this cmd file and will allow you to exclude your d72 folder from wherever you're running this copy of a2cmd from. And you can see on the default version that we don't have that excludes file, and the pre-execution doesn't include that as well. So then you can see on our execution we just run the command prompt executable and then add our command line parameters. We'll wait until the app is terminated, which will automatically close out there, and then the automation mode will proceed to continue. Post-execution, we don't have to worry about moving it to the reports directory since it's saved directly to the reports directory for its log file. And persistent settings, we have it set to download if it's more than a day old, so you have the latest definitions always. Then we have our short descriptions and work report language. So just to show you real quick one of the scans here, we're going to go ahead and start it to run, and you'll be able to see the size of the download and the process it goes through here quickly. So that was our download. You can see it's extracting the zip file, and shortly we should see a command prompt. And now we'll be able to see the command line scanning go through. And basically as it goes through and scans, you can see the options that are turned on and off here. And this is the quick scan, so it's going through and just quickly checking items here. And basically anything it detects it'll show as detected, and then we'll remove it at the end of the scan process. We're going to go ahead and just close out here, and that is the a2cmd virus scanner, and hope that has demystified some of the options for you. You'll be able to use that virus scanner fully automated and going forward on your malware removal systems. Thanks you for watching.